B2B Rocket Reviews. Features, pricing, and alternative, AnyBiz. Welcome to our in-depth review of B2B Rocket, a rising competitor in B2B sales and marketing solutions. We'll explore B2B Rocket's features, pricing, pros and cons, and compare it with the best alternatives. Based in Sheridan, Wyoming, B2B Rocket specializes in using AI to streamline sales processes, optimize startup growth, and enhance operational efficiency. It caters to diverse industries by automating lead generation and offering significant cost savings compared to traditional methods, all while providing personalized client interactions through its AI agents. B2B Rocket utilizes AI for automated lead generation and personalized interactions, ensuring targeted engagement. It includes automated meeting scheduling, hyper-personalized email campaigns, seamless CRM integration, and advanced prospect targeting with intent data capture. B2B Rocket offers straightforward pricing designed to meet varying business needs, emphasizing value through AI-driven sales automation. They excels in automating lead generation with AI agents and provides valuable data-driven insights for strategic decision-making. However, users have reported issues with AI accuracy and customization options, along with occasional delays in updates and limited language support. B2B Rocket receives positive ratings on G2, 4.4, and Capterra, 4.6, for its AI-driven sales and marketing solutions. While Trustpilot reviews are unavailable, users highlight its effective automation in B2B lead generation and sales processes. AnyBiz offers 24/7 AI engagement across multiple channels, deeper customization with extensive CRM integration and automatic scheduling, user-friendly interfaces with real-time insights, and advanced features like multi-channel engagement and personalized landing pages. This sets AnyBiz apart in optimizing B2B sales processes and enhancing brand visibility effectively. Choosing AnyBiz over B2B Rocket means opting for enhanced lead quality, improved conversion rates, and streamlined operations. AnyBiz excels with advanced data utilization, seamless integration of sales tools, and global market compatibility, making it the ideal choice for efficient lead generation and sales automation. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support, like, and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.